6 months ago, I was in Guatemala, in a hospital bed, alone. I'd left my job, I'd left my home and my family, and I was living on savings. Why? Because I wanted to build something online, make a bucket load of money, and escape my 9 to 5. But most importantly, I wanted to be free. And I'd failed. Over 2 years, I built 5 products and made a grand total of $0. But I kept posting. Every single day. And somewhere along the way, I figured something out. And that was that Twitter isn't social media, or I should say X. It is the best marketing tool in the world. And I had built a system to crack it. 4 months ago, I launched SuperX. SuperX is the only platform in the world that shows you what's going viral, tells you why it's working, and helps you create versions to go viral yourself. Plus much, much, much more. The result? 4 months ago, we were at $12,000 in annual recurring revenue. Today, we are at over $160,000 in annual recurring revenue. Just over a year ago, I was at 900 followers. Today, I am at over 35,000 followers and have been seen by over 33 million people. And we are just getting started. X made it possible, SuperX makes it easy, and now anyone can use it. I'm Rob, come find me and let's chat. Thank you very much. I missed one of my lines.